It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at the MGM Grand Casino in Las Vegas. Now this right here is actually the MGM Grand Food Court. So there is a food court hidden back here. And it's got all the usual suspects for a Las Vegas food court like Bonanno's, New York Pizzeria, Johnny Rockets, Nathan's Hot Dogs, and plenty of seating for your casual dining experience. Let's take a little bit of a closer look at what they've got going on here at the MGM Grand Food Court. Johnny Rockets burgers and fries, Nathan's hot dogs. This is all American food. Pizza, burgers, hot dogs, and Chinese food here at Pan Asian. I guess that means it could be Japanese food or Thai food, but I'm pretty sure it's Chinese food. And the original chicken tender. I love myself some fried chicken, and I certainly love myself some chicken tenders, and that's all they've got at the original chicken tender. Well, they got fries too. Original chicken tenders, French fries. Really, that's all I need at a food court. I don't know, maybe a slice of pizza too. That's the beauty of a food court. You can get anything you want, and you can get multiple things, like ice cream. Here's Haagen-Dazs, and there was tacos and Ritas. If you want some beer or cocktails with your food court food, you can have that too. But that doesn't mean there isn't more to eat, because there is another food area. It's not exactly a food court. It's sort of a street of dreams that you will find on your way to and fro the parking garage. It's just down these escalators. This is also where Brad Garrett's comedy club is. So if you're in the mood for a laugh, definitely check this place out. And there's plenty to eat while you're down here. There's gift shops too. There's like a magic shop. This place has been down here for a long time. I mean, since MGM opened, and it hasn't changed that much. Here's a Fat Tuesday for frozen alcoholic drinks. These places are all over Las Vegas. Now, Pieology is a pizza place that is fairly new the last couple years. So you can grab a slice of pizza on your way to the comedy club, or on your way from the comedy club, or just on your way to and from your car. There's a Harley Davidson shop for your motorcycle memorabilia. America, the store, for your America memorabilia. So you can remember that you're an American, or if you're not an American, that you are a fan of America. And here's a sock store, if you're a fan of socks. That's closed though, so no socks for you. Pretzels. This place always smells so good. New York pretzel. I don't know what they do, what they're pumping into the air. Can you pump butter into the air? I think that's what they're doing, because it always smells great around here. And there's the comedy club, Brad Garrett's comedy club. And this is Revive Wellness Hydrating Infusions. I don't know what that means exactly, and I don't want to know. What I do want to know is, what do they have to eat here at Haagen-Dazs? I mean, I know it's ice cream. Yeah, it's actually some of the best ice cream you can get. At least I think so. But what I really want to know is, where's the donut place? Because I hear there is a pretty amazing donut shop down here. It's new, it's trendy, and there's always a line. Hey, wait a minute, I see a line, and I see donuts. This is the Dapper Donut, and they've got all sorts of funky donuts like the PBJ donut, the Bananas Foster donut, and of course classic donuts, cinnamon and sugar, blueberries. I don't know if that's a classic donut, but they have it. She's making fresh topped swirled donuts. Whatever she's doing to the donuts, she's doing it by hand. And I appreciate the craft involved in creating the donuts here at the Dapper Donut. I'm normally not one for trendy, millennial Instagram foods, but these donuts look good. And there's one called the Turtle, so that's gotta be fun. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the MGM Grand, the restaurants at the MGM Grand, the MGM Grand food court, and all the food options, including Subway, here at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.